What are the sneaky expenses? Like the refrigerators, that my story, the AC, but what are the sneaky expenses that a lot of people just kind of, they don't think about, they forget about?
Remember my story about my property tax bill being equal to my mortgage payment?
Yeah.
Property taxes, I think, are the number one thing that people don't consider when they're looking at houses. Oh, the house costs $300,000. I will buy it. They don't realize that property taxes may be going up. They're probably going up. They're most likely going to go up as soon as you buy the house. And the property taxes that are being quoted in the MLS are last year's taxes based on the valuation from whenever it was sold and, the mill levy and yada, yada, all sorts of weird real estate terms. But when it gets sold, that's the new value. So those go up. You could have purchased from a senior citizen who has senior citizen discounts or somebody who has homestead exemptions. There could be all sorts of funky tax things going on. And then you buy this house, especially as an investor, all of a sudden you're like, why are my taxes twice as much as I thought they were? Another thing is buying a brand new house. When that builder buys that land, it is considered unimproved. And until that house sells, that land is taxed as unimproved property, which is like $4 a year. The tax rate is
ultra low rate. Yeah.
It's ridiculously low. So you go into your purchase with this $4 a year tax bill, and then it's instantly jacked up. Your mortgage is absolutely going to go up year two. Your mortgage company is going to call you and say, there's an escrow shortage because your property taxes are actually $2,000 a year or $8,000 a year or whatever it is. If you've got some weird taxing district, they could be even higher. So that's something that you need to ask your real estate agent about. What are my taxes going to go up to? Take it upon yourself to do research into this so you're not surprised, especially if you're like Wes and spent all your money on your house and your house poor with your first one.
Yeah, it's a scary place to be. It's a scary place to be.
It really is.